Hi everyone. In this short video, we are going to see how CyberArk dynamic privilege access, also called DPA, can be leveraged upon for the vaulted credentials. So what I did, I spin off Postgres database, leveraging upon AWS RDS service. So this is what my endpoint, port, and a couple of other details looks like. So what I did, I went to my privilege cloud. So I onboarded this specific account. So here you can see all the different details about the safe platform, but as of now, you can focus upon some of the key details called username and address. So these are the few details what we are gonna leverage upon. So I'm gonna go back to my dynamic privilege access. So what we are going to do for this particular demonstration, we are going to leverage upon PGadmin. So PGadmin is one of the most commonly used tools amongst the database administrator. So I'm going to create a new server. So we are going to say DPA DP vaulted account. So if I click on the connection, so here we have to provide all these details, host name, username, and so on. So what we will do, we'll click on connection guidance. So I'm going to go to database and we are going to go to PostgreSQL. So I'm going to copy this host name. And for username, so what we will do, so we want to connect it as a vaulted account. So I'm going to enter my Postgres as my target user, and my FKDN is this one, the long FKDN. So I'm gonna copy this entire username, gonna paste it here. So once it is done, in the password, I'm going to add in my credentials to authenticate to CyberArk identity. So now my credential has been added. If I go to the parameters, what we are going to do, we are going to increase the connection timeout period. I'm going to click on save. It takes around 10 seconds to get connected to the target database. So let's wait. It took around 10 seconds to connect to the database. So this is what my database looks like. So I'm going to click on the Postgres so you can see all the different details. So now what we are going to do, we are going to run a couple of queries. So I'm going to click on a query tool. So let's see which user we are using to connect to the database. So I'm going to select as a current user. I'm going to execute. So you can see the current user that got connected to the Postgres database is Postgres. So it is a vaulted account, and we are going to run a select account. I'm going to execute this query. So you can see the total number of count is 12. So this is how the user experience is going to look like. As the next step, what we will going to do, we are going to see from an auditor standpoint. So what are the different events CyberArk DPA will be able to capture. So I'm going to disconnect from the server, and then we will go to the auditor side. So for auditor, what we have to do, we have to click on these 9 dots. So we have to go to the CyberArk ISPS service named audit. So I'm gonna go here. So we will go to the session monitoring tab. Under the session monitoring tab, so you can see this session lasted for almost like 1 minute plus. So I'm gonna click on this one. So here you can see the session ID, target DB, database type, access method is vaulted. The user on target is your Postgres. So I'm gonna click on the commands. So So you can see some of the commands do get executed behind the scenes in the Postgres. So, but we can see user executed this specific command select count star, and uh, we did run this query called select current user. So thanks a lot everyone for watching this short video.